The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is already creating massive excitement even before its official launch. And as the successor to the highly popular Pocket 3, expectations are naturally sky-high because DJI has steadily built a reputation for redefining what compact handheld cameras can do. And based on the growing number of leaks, certifications, and insider reports, the Pocket 4 appears to be positioned as one of the most meaningful upgrades the Pocket series has seen so far. Not just a minor refresh, but a product that could significantly reshape how creators think about ultra-portable filmmaking. Initially, several credible leaks pointed toward a December 18, 2025 announcement, which would have aligned perfectly with DJI's usual end-of-year product rhythm and a pre-Christmas launch strategy. But more recent information from trusted YouTube sources like PhotoRabs indicates that DJI has decided to delay the official unveiling, not because of any major technical failure, but primarily due to unfinished accessories and broader internal scheduling disruptions, including complications linked to the December 23rd regulatory ban issue that has reportedly impacted multiple DJI product timelines. As a result, the Osmo Pocket 4 is now expected to launch in January 2026, most likely between January 10th and the end of the month, which actually gives DJI more breathing room to polish the ecosystem around the camera rather than rushing it to market incomplete. And importantly, this delay is seen as a postponement rather than a cancellation, especially since FCC certifications for the Pocket 4 and other DJI products have already been cleared, signaling that the hardware itself is finalized and ready. While a full hands-on launch is expected in January, there is still a strong possibility that DJI could drop a teaser or brief announcement before the end of December to keep anticipation high and reassure fans that the product is imminent. And with NDA documents, FCC filings, and early test footage already circulating, most of the core details are no longer a mystery, leaving official confirmation as the final missing piece. One of the most talked about and potentially game-changing upgrades is the rumored dual camera setup, which if confirmed would represent a major evolution for the Pocket line, as this configuration could finally enable true optical-like zoom options at 2x and 4x without the heavy quality loss associated with digital cropping. Something vloggers, travel filmmakers, and solo creators have been asking for since the Pocket series began. This dual camera system is also expected to work hand-in-hand with AI autoframing technology, allowing the Pocket 4 to intelligently track faces or subjects and dynamically reframe shots in real time, keeping subjects perfectly centered even as they move, which would dramatically reduce the need for manual adjustments during filming. Another rumored feature that adds to the excitement is seamless switching between camera modules or focal lengths, meaning users could transition between wide and zoomed perspectives smoothly and without visible jumps in image quality, making the Pocket 4 feel less like a single-lens compact and more like a miniature multi-camera production tool. Interestingly, leaked images and test footage suggest that the camera block design resembles a scaled-down version of the DJI Air 3's dual camera system, which raises fascinating questions about how much imaging power DJI has managed to compress into such a small handheld form factor, especially considering the thermal, power, and stabilization challenges that come with advanced sensors in tight spaces. Earlier design leaks showed what appeared to be a horizontal dual-lens layout with lenses placed side by side. But newer footage from Igor, a well-known source of early DJI hardware sightings, reveals a vertical dual lens stack with one lens positioned above the other, a design choice that not only changes the camera's appearance but also hints at different optical priorities and internal component arrangements. If DJI is indeed borrowing inspiration from the Air 3, one likely configuration could involve a compact wide-angle lens equivalent to 24mm, paired with a secondary medium-range zoom lens, potentially reworked into a practical 2x zoom, rather than a full 70mm equivalent to keep size and weight under control. And sensor sizes in the range of 1.3 inch or 1.5 inch seem plausible given the physical constraints of the Pocket series. Alongside camera hardware upgrades, battery improvements are another area where leaks suggest meaningful progress, with FCC filings indicating a bump to a 1545 battery at 7.7 volts, which represents roughly an 18% increase over the Pocket 3's 1300 milliamp hours capacity. And with DJI's typical rated versus advertised marketing practices, this could easily be promoted as a 1600 mAh battery once official specifications are announced. In real-world usage, this increase should translate to approximately 15 to 18% longer runtime, which may not sound dramatic on paper, but is actually quite significant for a device this small, especially for creators who rely on extended handheld shooting sessions without access to frequent charging. What remains particularly impressive and somewhat puzzling is how DJI continues to increase battery capacity while simultaneously reducing or maintaining overall weight, a trend we've seen with other DJI products like the Avata series, suggesting ongoing refinement of internal layouts, component efficiency, and material choices that DJI rarely discusses publicly but clearly invests heavily in. From a connectivity standpoint, FCC documents suggest no radical changes, with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth Low Energy still present, and no confirmation yet of an upgrade beyond BL 5.2, which implies that DJI is prioritizing stability and power efficiency over chasing the latest wireless standards. A sensible choice for a compact camera where reliability matters more than raw bandwidth. Physically, the outline and dimensions shown in certification documents appear very similar to the Pocket 3, reinforcing the idea that DJI is refining an already successful design rather than reinventing it, which should be reassuring to users who appreciated the Pocket 3's ergonomics, gimbal balance, and pocketable form factor. Beyond the hardware itself, the broader industry context makes the Pocket 4 particularly interesting. As competition in the compact creator camera space has intensified, with smartphones pushing increasingly advanced computational video features and action cameras expanding their use cases, meaning DJI needs the Pocket 4 to clearly justify its existence as a dedicated tool rather than a niche accessory. By focusing on optical versatility, intelligent AI features, extended battery life, and refined stabilization, DJI appears to be positioning the Pocket 4 as a serious creative instrument for vloggers, travelers, journalists, and solo filmmakers who want high-quality footage without the bulk of larger cameras or the compromises of phones. The delay into January 2026, while disappointing for those expecting a December reveal, may ultimately work in DJI's favor by ensuring that accessories, software, and firmware are ready at launch, reducing early adopter frustration and strengthening the product's long-term reception. At this stage, with most technical details already circulating and expectations clearly set, the Osmo Pocket 4 feels less like a mystery and more like a waiting game, where creators are simply counting down the days until DJI makes everything official. And if the rumored dual-camera system, AI enhancements, battery improvements, and refined design all come together as expected, the Pocket 4 could easily become one of DJI's most compelling compact releases to date and a worthy upgrade for anyone who has been holding off since the Pocket 3, especially given that more than 2 years have passed since the last major refresh, making this moment feel like the right time for DJI to raise the bar once again.